Okay, the first step to doing a problem like this is finding the greatest common factor. See what it says here? It says where A, right there, is the GCF of 8 and 24. So our first step is to find out what A is going to be. So we're going to do that by finding the GCF of 8 and finding the GCF of 24. Let's do that. I like the T method myself. Factor Ninja will come in, hopefully help us out with put a T. How many T's do we need? 2 T's. One for 8 and one for 24. We're going to tee off here. If you like golf, it's a nice little golf analogy for you. Okay, this T's got a funny top. So we're going to do, what can we do to get 8? Well, what can we multiply together? What two factor? We're finding factors. What two factors can we multiply together so we end up with 8? Oh, I know. 1 times 8 equals 8. What else? We can do, what else can we do multiply together? Oh, 2 times 4 gives us 8. Anything else? What else can we do? We can do 17 million times 23,000 and get 8. No, we can't. No, we're done. That's it. So those are all the factors of 8. Now let's do the factors of 24. 1 times 24 gives us 24. 2 times 12 gives us 24. 3 times, is it 8? 8, 6, yeah, 24. 4 times 6, 24. 5 doesn't work. 6, we already got 6. So I think we're done. All right, now that we've did that, let's find all the common factors. These are all the factors. Everything in pink are factors. These are all factors, right? Okay, the ones that I circle in green are factors of 8. The ones that I circle in black are make that thicker black, in black are the factors of 24. Which factors do both of these numbers have in common? That's what we're going to do next. Let's start with a 1. They both have a 1. They both have a 2. They both have an 8, and they both have a 4. Aha, now out of all those common factors of 8 and 24, which one's the greatest? The great. You're awesome. You're great. You're Tony the Tiger. You're great. Okay, so which one's the greatest? 8 is the greatest. Wouldn't you know that also rhymes? See, because, 8 is the greatest one. So now we know what A is. So this A is going to turn into an 8, kind of like a pumpkin at 12 o'clock midnight. Oh, so instead of writing A, B plus C, we're going to change that. A is going to be 8 because that is what the greatest common factor is of 8 and 24 is. 8 and 24 is the greatest common factor. Okay, now what do we do next? I like to do the wink and a smile. We want to end up with 8 and 24. We want it to be a plus sign. That's what we want to end up with. How do we get there? Wink and smile it. So I'm going to do a wink. Here's a wink. 8 times B equals 8. See, I'm kind of like a sideways equal sign there. I'm just turning it into an arrow, I guess. So 8 times B equals 8. What do you multiply 8 by to end up with 8? 1. So really, this is going to be B, the value, the role of B is going to be played by the number 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a 1 here because 8 times 1 is 8. Now that we've got that, now that's our wink. Now let's do a smile. Whee! 8 times C is 24. 8 times C equals 24. What do we multiply 8 by so that we end up with 24? That is going to be, oops, a little too much there. That's going to, did it again. Hang on. Whoa, did something real funny just now. Escape. I don't know if you saw that. That was kind of cuckoo. For Cocoa Puffs, we ended up on a different slide. I think I'm being taken over by the upside down. My upside down my wink and smile turned upside down to a frown and not winking. Eye wide open at me. One big giant eye. Looks like the eyes have it. Well, the eye has it. Oh, hang in there. Almost there. Let's see if it kept my work. And it did! Okay. Nope, just kidding. That's not the right one. But Factor Ninja, that's pretty cool. A little guest appearance. Okay. All right, here we go. This is where we were. So 8 times something, and we said this was going to be C, and I think we made that, I don't know. We'll just make it orange for now. 8 times something is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So the role of C is going to be played by the number 3. All these rhymes. I didn't plan this, I promise. I'm not that smart. I'm not that clever. I'm not that fortuitous. So that's the answer right there. The answer is A, where B is going to be 1, and where C is going to be 3. Ta-da, done, 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 done.